Cash App Borrow only shows up for selected users, and eligibility is controlled automatically based on account history, activity, and risk scoring inside Cash App. By the end, you'll know why Borrow isn't showing, what actually makes you eligible, and the exact actions that increase your chances of getting it. Start with the main limitation. Cash App Borrow is not available to everyone. Cash App enables it only for accounts that meet internal eligibility requirements. Now, explain what that means. There is no application form or manual request to turn it on. Now, explain the main factors. One of the biggest factors is account activity. Cash App looks for consistent usage like sending money, receiving money, and maintaining a stable transaction history. Now, explain behavior importance. Accounts that show steady activity over time are more likely to be considered for Borrow access. Now, explain repayment impact. If Borrow is available and used, repayment behavior becomes a major factor. On-time repayment builds trust inside the system. Now explain what hurts eligibility. Frequent failed payments, chargebacks, or unusual transaction patterns can reduce eligibility. Now explain verification. A fully verified identity profile is important for access to advanced features like Borrow. Incomplete or inconsistent account information can prevent eligibility entirely. Now explain a common misconception. Deleting and reinstalling the app does not unlock Borrow. It is tied to your account profile, not your device. Now, explain another misconception. Creating new accounts to try to force Borrow access can trigger restrictions instead of eligibility. Now, explain what actually works. The only reliable path is using Cash App normally over time with consistent activity and clean transaction behavior. Now, explain time behavior. Cash App does not provide a fixed timeline for when Borrow becomes available. Eligibility can change over time based on account behavior. Now, summarize the core idea. Cash App Borrow is controlled by automatic eligibility checks based on account activity, identity verification, and repayment behavior. There is no manual way to enable it or request access. And consistent, responsible account usage is the only real factor that improves chances. One practical next step. Open Cash App and make sure your identity is fully verified and your account details are consistent with your real information. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more simple Cash App guides that explain what actually works without guessing.